When creating projects, sometimes, you need to work with multiple objects. ActivePresenter allows you to group them, then you can work with the group as a single object. For example, I have 4 freeform shapes arranged like a 4-leaf clover. When selecting all of them, you can move them without changing their relative distance to each other. However, if you rotate or resize, the 4-leaf clover will be deformed. Therefore, you should group them to easily work with. To do that, right-click, select Group. Now, you can freely work with it without deformation. After grouping objects, you can manipulate the existing group like adding more objects to it, or removing objects from it, or ungrouping, etc. To add more objects to an existing group, right-click, Group, select Add to Group. After you make a group, you can still work with child objects in that group. By contrast, to remove objects from a group, select the objects you want to remove, right-click, Group, select Remove from Group. Sometimes, you no longer need a group, you want to break it to work with each individual object more easily. To do that, right-click the group, select Ungroup. That's it.